Staying on the street here at the corner of, let's see, we are at Stanley and Burnet Avenue, where the Union Township Police Safety is working on the pole, getting the lights back up. These things are nice and light. They took a beating out here. We had all the lights were gone. All second power still out. So finally, we're gonna have traffic lights up here. Guys, this is right by the Delta station. It's cool. You guys are doing a great job. This is unbelievable out here. This shit. So it looks like they're finally going to have traffic lights back up here at the corner of Stanley and Burnet Avenue. Dan in the street reporting, Union, New Jersey. So we're putting Sandy behind us, finally. God bless.